Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've done a makeup tutorial, and today I was inspired by Valentine's. I never actually go out or do anything, but I just still wanted to do my super simple look, and I also wanted you guys to see a super simple nail art you could do so you could look great that day without not going over the top. And I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get on with the video. We are starting off with a base coat. I'm gonna be using Pink Noise as the base color, 2 to 3 coats. Now I'll be adding a top coat. Now I'll be using Frozen from the Maniology. Stamping polishes. Just gonna add a little bit here, and I'm also gonna be using the MIDI Peach XOXo brush. Now my ring finger, I'm gonna be doing this a little heart. Be starting with a V right here. And then I'm just gonna bring it around. To do a heart shape, and then I'm gonna just slide. Can you see that? You can barely see it. And then on the other side, I'm just gonna bring it in, but I'm not gonna close it. I'm just gonna leave it right there. And then let's see how I do it on my left hand. Okay. V. Kind of. Sort of. Not even close. Oh my god, it's not focusing. Well, it looks pretty bad. I'm not even gonna keep on working on it because probably I'm gonna ruin it if I work on it more. I'm gonna be finishing this look with a smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I'm gonna be starting off with, actually this doesn't even have its name anymore, but it's Jelly Pong. And this is the Bronzedale. I'm sorry if you hear some noise in the background. People are mowing their lawns. We're gonna start with this color right at the crease. And bringing it in a swiper motion. Going round and round in a swiper motion inside. Now with the darker side, I'm gonna add it to the outside right here, just a little bit. Can you see the difference? It's very, very, very light. And then I'm gonna add some concealer. Let's see if I have here. A little bit of concealer inside right here, just a dot. Just to lighten that area up. And just put it a little bit after the middle. And I'm gonna press it in. Now I'm just gonna take the dark shade again, and I'm just gonna smudge it in so it could look a little bit, you know, more blended out. See? And then the lighter shade again to blend the top part. This not gonna look like a cut crease. It's more faded in, as you can see. And now I'm gonna finish. I'm still not done, but I'm gonna add probably yeah, I'm gonna add from, this is a Tarte, the Rainforest and Sea Volume 3, and it's gonna be Heat Wave right here. I'm just gonna use my finger for this, and I'm just gonna place it right there. Super simple, look at that. Super cute. Now I'm just gonna blend it in just a little bit, just and I'm gonna also use the Park Ave Princess Chisel palette, I think it is, and I'm gonna be using the halo, for on top. So to lighten that area up. Super simple. Can you see the difference? It's a very light, but it's there. And again, blend it out. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner with Hank and Harry eyeliner. There. And this one is in Blinkety Black. Let's see how well I could do this. I'm gonna do it as close as possible to my eyelashes. I've got to say, since I've started doing my eyeliner, I think I've gotten just a little bit better. So there you go. I'm just gonna use a wipe to clean out the edges right here. Let that dry. Now I'm just gonna add some Ardell lashes, the natural lashes. These are small for my eyes, so I try to put them well, because if not, they're gonna look a little bit ugly. Okay. Just like that. Then I'm gonna be using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. For my lower lashes. Actually, I shouldn't do this first, but I did it. And a little bit on my top lashes. As you can see, the way I put my lashes on, you can see they're a little bit shorter than mine's. And I like to elongate these right here so it looks part of the lashes. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and we'll see you with the finishing touches of the eyes. Now we're gonna finish our eyes with the same one that we did our eyes, but we're gonna use dark color. And then the lighter color, we're just gonna blend that darker color out and just bring it in. And then I'm gonna use a mascara again because I did an error. Should have done it before after my eyes were done, but and to finish it off, I'm gonna be using this I Am Beauty mist. And we are all done. Let me just put my hair down so you can see the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the nail art. Super simple and easy. And I also hope you enjoyed this cute Valentine's, you know, inspired look, but super easy. Oh my god, I have something right there. Okay. It's super easy, it's fast to do. It looks nice. I think it's probably like, this is like my everyday makeup if I want to go a little bit glam outside. This is probably it. It's super simple. But yeah, it really does go with Valentine's. It's nice and pinkish, but it's not over, you know, over the top. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.